some practice drills here for the Glock 26. It's a little chilly out here. It's back in 50, not too bad. But got the jacket on, figured I might as well try it out, see how good I am with the jacket for a quick draw and shoot. Walking around the hills, you know, not much, just a little bit to get the heart rate going a little bit. I'm this far back from my main target. 10 round magazine in, and I have a spare magazine, which is also actually a 10 rounder because there's a practice mag right now. Trying to see how well I can get with the quicker draw and stay on target while I'm shooting. I'm going to throw in some cover drills later. Try to just do the 1 or 2 mags because that's usually what I'll carry with me anyways. Not too bad of hit from, again, this was first 10 rounds. 2 chest, maybe a head, or whatever else is people like to carry on their shoulders. Rest went all around it basically. Definitely enough for I'm comfortable staying on the person. Would like to be more on target. I would like all 10 of those to be on the white circle there. Gonna keep practicing, see what happens. And yeah, not too bad at all. Did a cold start. That was my first, again, cold start. Just get out of the truck, set it up, and go. And that's usually what I value myself on, is just that cold start. That's how good I am, or how bad I am in this case. But because usually when something happens, you're not going to be always prepared and always in the mode ready to go. You're going to have to just be a cold start and go. Then after that, I start doing a walk around and again, get the heart rate going. Start practicing with an elevated heart rate and see how crappy my shots get after that. But yeah, have fun.